Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. This is our second video in a series of videos related to the concept of simple interest. But before we go into our word problem, let us take a look at the key terms I, P, R, and T. Okay, the I stands for interest, the P stands for principal, the R stands for rate, and the T stands for time. And if you recall from our previous video, in how we explained that if you deposited money in a traditional savings account, the bank will pay you some money just to keep your money in that account. They will pay you just to hold your money. Now we're going to take a look on the other hand. Okay, now here's how it works. Interest works both ways. And let's say you borrow money. Yes, you cannot only, in some cases, like if you borrow money from a friend, let's say you borrow $5 from a friend, you pay him $5 back and that's it. But no, but in the business world, in a world of how adults operate, when you borrow money from an institution, a bank, or a lending institution, you're going to have to pay back that money with interest. And so let's take a look at this problem to better help us understand what that means. And so you get a loan from the bank for, let's say, $1,600 at an 8% interest rate that must be paid off in 6 months. Okay, what is the total amount you will have to pay or you will owe on this loan? And so let's take a look at our vocabulary once again. And this time, the principal is $1,600. The interest rate is 0.08. I could say 800ths, but I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to confuse you. I'm just going to say 0.08. And the time is 0.5 because we're dealing with half a year. Okay, so 0.5 is one half of something. And in this case, 6 months is one half of a year. And that's why we're going to use 0.5 for time. And here's our equation, our formula right here to find out the interest you will owe after you borrowed money from the bank. And here we are. We have 1,600 times 0.08 times 0.5. And the answer is $64. And so at the end of 6 months, not only will you have to pay $1,600, you're going to have to pay an additional $64 in interest, coming out to a total payment of $1,664. All right. And so this is another application of simple interest. You receive quite a bit of information, and this would be a good time to pause the video or replay the video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of simple interest. But in the meantime, comment, share, like, and I repeat like, and then subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.